Question number 8. ASEAN reads this newspaper headline: average pay has fallen by £2,600 in the last 6 months. Use the data handling cycle to write a plan for ASEAN to decide whether this is true. So there are 3 stages of the data handling cycle. We need to write a statement about collecting the data and then processing the data and then interpreting the data. Interpreting the data, linking it back to our original hypothesis. So we need 3 statements to get our 3 marks here. We need in the collect stage, the collecting the data. Well, we would collect the data by using, so we'd use a questionnaire to ask people, and the wording is in the question again here, so how much their salary has fallen in the last 6 months. So that's our collection stage. For our processing stage, well, it actually talks about average pay in the hypothesis. So we would calculate the average fall in pay from the collected data. It would be okay at this stage to say put the information in a graph such as a frequency polygon as well. But I think the best thing, because they've talked about an average in the hypothesis, an average pay, is talking about calculating the average fall in pay from the collected data, and you could calculate that by find the mean value. And the last part now, we've got collecting, we've got processing. We need to now interpret our calculations, our findings. So we need to compare the calculated mean average with the hypothesis. So we've got 3 stages there for 3 marks: collecting, processing, interpreting, all of them linked to the actual hypothesis that's stated. And I said in the processing stage, it is okay, you can talk about not just calculating an average, but you can talk about a graph which could be a frequency polygon, or maybe even a dual bar chart for group data.